Hi guys, today I'm going to present the way how we manage large amount of deals and then sending out those deals to lots of miners. So basically, we build a platform which is helping people to download lots of data. Then you can chunk them or merge them to different kind of size of deals. When you have a petabyte of data, it's usually like extremely hard for people to manage them. So what we did is that we first download those data and then we converted it to a data structure. We create a meta CSV. So with meta CSV, you'll be able to add more rich information about the data IDs, the data payload ID, the timestamp, and all the other infos. So we split the sending process to several steps. Instead of direct sending out, what you can do is that you can first go into website to check how many people are currently available on the network. So in some time you may be thinking about to find some good reputation miners to send out deals. So we want to check if they have a good history of online. Yeah. So this scores based on your online time and your power growth. So and some of them, if you have large time of offline and you are slow, volume, you maybe have a lower score. And price also a consideration. So in North America, we have lots of miners working with us. And for some miners, you may be not interested because they price too high. And so the problem now we have is that when we say, for example, if we select several miners wanting to send out those deals, can we reuse the same file to send it out? So basically what we do is that we recorded a video like how we doing that. We first we go to the repository. We create a zip file or a car file. We can using graphite, GraphSync to generate the car files. Then we package it to one CSV with the program running behind. We take the same CSV. When you target the definition of the miners, they will check their price, send out the batch files to them. So inside of which each CSV, you can have one task with several deals. So for example, with the task we have now, we can have 30 deals inside one CSV. So with each of them about 32 gigabyte, you'll be able to send out half a terabyte with one click. And if you want to send it to multi-miners, you just need to change the miner ID. So you'll be able to send out 10 terabytes, 20 terabytes just within few minutes. And after you send it out, if they also running an agent on their side, you actually can see their selling process from when you start the approach. So which is very critical. You don't want your selling sectors past the deadline, then you become invalid. You also sometimes want to check what's the reason behind it. So for example, we have a file which is imported file because we cannot find some information on the local. You can see that with our testing with thousands of deals processed, we actually have not always have 100% success rate. And there's lots of different reasons behind it. Some of them is import have failed because cannot find storage. Some of them is added pieces. So when you want to take a close look of what's happening, you can download the CSV here, and it will give you a way to import to another system, export to other system for analyze. And yeah, and we also provide API to access, so you can download those CSVs or other informations programmatically. Yeah. And so for the other things we currently added is in the next version we're going to release next week is the encryption and decryption part. So with the Swan client now, you'll be able to encrypt the data before you send it out. And after that, we retrieval. After retrieval, you can use the same tool, which will generate a a AES key locally for decryption of data. So this is a tool to assist users. For some clients, we have been recently onboarding. They don't want their data widely spread without protection. So there are small companies, they really want those data be protected. So we just provide them a simple way to provide protect the data. Yeah, that's pretty much it about what we are currently doing. And with next vision, we want to provide more features. And another good news is that so today we officially signed up to FilSwan as a company. So from today, we're going to the entire team. We're working as an independent company instead of just the projects. Yeah, thanks everyone. This is just our part.